How to know if someone is in another call in Facebook Messenger. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messenger application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, open the conversation with whom you want to make a call. Now, tap on the call icon you see on top right of your screen, and with this, the call will be initiated, and as soon as you see this type of screen that says the individual is in another call, you can tell that the person you are calling is in another call. So, this is how you can know if someone is in another call in Facebook Messenger. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.